Alright crew, we are back. Quick update on the Stag Arms upper receiver that I was working on upgrading, renovating, however you'd like to put it. The gas block that came on this is the Picatinny one here. I put it back in the state that it was originally, which is the MOE Magpul handguard, the Picatinny gas block. This gas block sits too low to mount a backup sight that would align with a backup sight on the upper receiver. So my end goal here was to throw a rail on. In particular, I was looking for a 15-inch rail, as this is a 16-inch barrel, that would allow me to throw on backup sights or just change the configuration up a little bit more to be able to throw on lights and different things and make it a little bit more usable for what I was looking for. So in my previous video, I mentioned some of the obstacles I was running into while working on this, which mainly was the gas journal here is not 0.750 as it should be. It is under that, and with that, your standard gas blocks in that size with the set screws on the bottom do not fit. There's a ton of space, gas is going to blow everywhere. The options were either to try to fill in the tolerances there and get it up to that, or to turn it down and fit a smaller gas block. Or option 3, which was basically abandon the Ford Control Designs rail for this particular project, put on something else, and to get a clamp style gas block. Being I didn't have the tools to turn it down, didn't really feel like sending it out, I went ahead and I snagged up the Yankee Hill Machine clamp gas block. It has more than enough clampability that it's going to fit nice and snug. I have mounted it and it will definitely do the job. So I'm going to get this on there, but I need to figure out what handguard I'm going to use. There's the Aero Precision Enhanced Handguard. There is the Seekins Precision Handguard, Midwest SP, and I believe Odin Tactical. All of those options have a 1.5 inner diameter, which is typically the size you'd need if you were going to tuck a suppressor. In my case, I'm not doing that. I'm just looking to be able to fit this gas block under there. So we are going to probably snag up, I think I'm going to end up doing the Aero one. I was looking at the Midwest one. I could not find anybody with the configuration that I was looking to do, as well as the weight of the Midwest one looked drastically heavier than the Aero Precision one. So Brownells has a sale on the Aero Precision Enhanced Handguards right now. So probably going to snag that up, get this mounted back on here. I had reassembled this so I could take it out to the range if I do make it out there soon. But ultimately hoping to get this rail ordered up and get this thing configured in a way that I'm hoping to have it. So, and then check out what optic to throw on here, because I do want to mix this up and maybe do like a 1-in-6 or a 1-in-8 and do a little bit longer range shooting this coming year. So that is where we stand with this. I think we picked the right route. Like I said, the Ford Control Designs rail will not go to waste. That will go on another project here. Is a little bit of a bummer it's not going on this, but we will find a home for that on something. So I will catch you guys later. Run suppress, stay blessed.